Hello everyone and welcome back to the techystack channel. So today we are trying to explore one more new topic. It's already old topic, but exploring in different way. So this is related to the rpchallenge.com. So when you go with UiPath, we can able to see only one browser at a time. For example, if you want to work parallelly with the two browsers, for example, when I open RPA challenge.com one page, so I can able to work at one time. So because the selectors is might be have some issues or some other issues will be happen. So now when I go to with Python, so I can work parallelly four browsers at a time. So with the help of Playwright, so I'm able to achieve that. And this is a combination of Playwright and parallel things. So if you see here, multi-processing things, so which we call parallelly working like that, we can call. So the code which is already has been written here, and I taken this as a file and so if you see here it can match with the four parallel browsers at a time. So one is completed, then it will go for one by one at a time. So for example, if you see one website is running here, so other side we can see the another website. So I will try to run another couple of seconds, so we'll see how it will work. So the main agenda is when you go to RP tools, we can able to work only one at a one time. But when you go to UiPath, this is a kind of POC. The same thing I implemented for SAP in real time in one of the company, but I cannot able to show that data due to some policies, this and also I cannot able to show that. The same thing you did here with the help of this one. So just I'm going to execute this one. So execution has been started and I will tell you one by one. So now it has opened. I will put all together at once. So let me go keep one by one. So when you see here, I have the four RPA challenges got opened. So all are working at a time. So for website, so it's open and downloading one by one Excel file. So each Excel file, it will go to the different things. So I will put it back again, back to that position. So because sometimes this might be the glitch, and why it's not running means I given some delay on that. So each and everything I put some delay because I want to show the demo to you. So that's why you cannot see, you can able to see long delay for that. So now you can see this one has completed 100 out of 70 out of fields and 100% completed, 100% completed. So see all together run at once. So it saves a lot of time. So when you say in real time, so where you can implement this, for example, if you have lakhs of items which need to process with the GUI things, so that time we cannot able to do these kind of POCs, and it's very helpful to that. Now it will close one by one, so all will completed. So I given here a lot of delays, so that's why you can see this some I given the disk delay and some delays are there. So how it is working, so one is completed, then it will come one by one. So parallelly how we are thinking the same manner, it will execute here. So I hope this everything concept will understand. All are the similar only. So this is only one time written code but running in the four times. So that's the one small change bit I did, and I will go to the input. So if you see here, I have the worker one, worker two. So it will download the challenge here. So when I delete now, for example, I will run one more time. So for just understand this concept. So then only you can able to do this one. So just I run this one and I will go back to here. So it will again, it started one by one. So I can put all together at one by one and another one. So I will go this parallel backside. So you can see this all folders has been created. Still it not download the data. So it will download the data one by one. Now you can see this one file has it's downloaded. And here why it's taking long time means I have issue with my network issues. So that's why page is loading little bit low. Little bit slow. So that is the reason. And when I go this backside, so it has downloaded this one, and similar way workflow has downloaded and another has been downloaded, and backend if you see this one all are working fine. One got disconnected, that is having some other issue. So you saw this one how it's working, look and good, pretty good. So if you want you can try this from your side as well. This is a one small POC which I want to show with you, but in real time we implemented in a different ways, not the straightforward of the process. We deployed the bot and it's working fine. There is no issues with that. So the way is only the thing is if you not explore the stuff. Main variation you need to understand why it's work, what is the dependencies. If you know these and all stuffs, then you are able to achieve beyond that. So this is what I want to share with you. I hope you understand how it's working. If you have any doubts on this one, so try to post your comments. I will help you to understand this one. And anyway, this code I will try to upload in GitHub. So from there you can pick it and you can use from your side. Yeah, thank you.